Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. You have to start by open SHOKZ application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Then click at the settings, and at the third line we have upgrade firmware, enter here, and right here you can check software version. Firmware version is the same as software again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!